Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to write fractions in PowerPoint. So first open PowerPoint and select a slide where you want to enter fractions like this. Then just type your fraction and ensure to press a space bar on your keyboard, and it should convert in correct fraction. In case it does not work, then click on this one file menu, select options, here choose proofing. Then click on autocorrect options. Here check this option fractions 1 by 2 with fraction character 1 by 2. Click OK. Click OK, and now you can try to write the fraction again. In case you have complicated fraction, then click on this one insert button. Here click on this one equation, and then click on this one insert new equation, and you can see this one in toolbar. There are several fractions and symbol something some available. Click on this one fraction, choose one fraction you want to use. Suppose I want to use this one like this pi by 2. Here you can change its value, just select and correct according to your needs. Like I put here 6, sorry 5, and I want to put in denominator 6 like this. If you are still not happy and you want some typical fraction, then click on this one insert tab, and then click on this one equation, then click on this one inc equation. This will open math input control window. You can resize it. By default it will be very small in size. You can resize it. You can, from your mouse, you can type here something whatever you want. I want something like x plus y by x minus y. If you are happy with this one equation, click on this one insert button. In case you have made mistake, just click on this one clear. This will erase all the inputs, or you can even select an correct option. Just double click on this one to select and write new one, just clear, and you can retype using your mouse like this. I can insert fraction in my PPT. You can see like this. You can make any fraction in Windows PC using PowerPoint like this. You can copy and reuse also. Just copy and paste it. Like this, you can work with fractions on your Microsoft PowerPoint. Thanks for watching this video. If you are new to our channel Geared Up Windows, kindly subscribe it. And if you love this video, press thumbs up. Bye bye.